August presents today a new smart doorbell, and its most important feature is that it really looks like a doorbell. The August View is a small rectangular box with a camera on the top and a large button on the bottom to play the bell. It is quite obvious that the device is a bell, which is a big change with respect to the first two generations of August stamps. The previous models were squares with a big button in the center that did not look like a button or a bell. August View has another great distinction: it's wireless. You no longer have to worry about having the correct ringing wiring to buy one. Now, you can simply mount the August View outside your door, and you're basically ready to begin. The new model is powered by a rechargeable battery, which is estimated to last between 3 and 6 months with a charge, depending on its use. August says that customers will receive numerous alerts before the battery runs out. The buzzer also requires that you connect a separate buzzer to an outlet in your home. August is also greatly expanding the number of ring styles. Previously, a corded bell was only available on the silver and black models. The new one is shipped in black, but its faceplate can be replaced with different metal options, including brass and nickel, or various colors, including white and bright red. Since this is something that happens outside of people's homes, adding style options is an important part of turning the doorbell into something that people really want to buy. While it is difficult to see in the image above, under the lens of the camera there is an infrared reflector, which will invisibly illuminate the subjects at night when motion is detected. This is also present in the wired model, so both cameras are still useful in the dark with IR recording.